Detroit is staging a comeback as the workshop of the world, and with it, rises Chevrolet in all of its newly discovered electric glory. Chevy's full-size SUVs, hard-working trucks, and most American supercars will be debuting for 2024, and we offer you the front row seat to witness their arrival. So subscribe to Automotive Territory Daily News and enjoy the new lineup of machines proudly made in the US of A. We start the engines now. Chevrolet Tahoe. Though slightly smaller than the Suburban, the full-size Tahoe is Chevy's more practical and better-selling model that also undergoes a facelift for 2025. If you look closely, you will notice the updated shape of its LED lights and refreshed grille design, accompanied by two new exterior paint options, Cypress Gray and Lakeshore Blue Metallic. The 2025 Tahoe also introduces new wheel choices, now reaching a maximum size of 24 inches, the largest ever seen on this model. While the Tahoe's gasoline V8 engines remain unchanged, a significant update arrives in the form of the second-generation Duramax inline-six turbo diesel, available across all 6 trims. This engine boasts new performance specifications of 305 horsepower and an impressive 495 pound-feet of torque. Continuing its tradition of strong towing capability at 8,400 pounds, the Tahoe also receives enhancements to its multi-link independent rear suspension, steering, and optional magnetic ride control. Inside the cabin, improvements aim to enhance forward visibility. Its 11-inch digital gauge cluster is repositioned, and there is a redesigned 17.7-inch infotainment screen, slightly angled toward the driver. Moreover, the Super Cruise feature is now extended to the LT and RST trims. Chevrolet Silverado EV. In 2024, we will finally welcome not one, but 2 versions of the all-new Silverado EV, the workaholic fleet-only WT or WorkTruck, and the opulent, comfort-oriented RST First Edition. The 2 trims take advantage of the same LTM platform, but respectively prioritize utility or performance. The WT offers the EPA-estimated 450 miles of range, innovative E4-wheel drive with instant 600 pound-feet of torque to all 4 wheels, up to 12,500 pounds of towing, and 1,750 pounds of payload capacity. The RST goes for a more powerful setup, where 2 electric motors yield 754 horses and 785 pound-feet with a wide-open watts mode. Its 200 kWh battery promises 400 miles. Both trims have aerodynamic design, modern LED lighting, wheel-to-wheel assist steps, and an e-trunk with a lockable waterproof compartment. The RST also benefits from the 24-inch wheels, adaptive air suspension, and 4-wheel steering as standard. The cabin of the truck comes properly with an 11-inch screen, built-in Google infotainment and navigation, plenty of storage, and in-bed outlets with 10.2 kilowatts of boarding power capability for all of your tools. Chevrolet Corvette Eay. The debut of the original Corvette occurred at the 1953 New York Motorama Auto Show. To commemorate the 70th anniversary of this iconic vehicle, Chevrolet has officially launched its first-ever electrified sports car in both coupe and convertible body styles. Named the Eay, this model merges a classic small-block 6.2-liter LT2 V8 engine with an electrified E all-wheel drive system, resulting in a total power output of 655 horsepower and nearly instantaneous torque of 595 pound-feet. Accelerating to 16 mph in just 2.5 seconds and completing a quarter-mile drag strip in 10.5 seconds, the new VAT showcases impressive performance. In addition to the power boost, the supercar boasts a broader body featuring new aerodynamic elements, wider wheels, and distinctive blue badging. The standard package includes carbon ceramic brakes, magnetic selective ride control, and a cutting-edge Corvette command center equipped with a digital screen and a head-up display. Furthermore, the CER Performance Package offers high-performance Michelin Pilot Sport 4S ZP summer-only tires, along with the chassis tuning and other enhancements to elevate overall performance. Chevrolet Traverse. The latest iteration of the Traverse distinguishes itself from its predecessor with more rugged appearance, technological advancements within the cabin, and an expanded range of trim options. For the 2024 model year, Chevy's family-oriented SUV features a noticeably more robust front-end design, characterized by a square-shaped grille, enlarged air intakes, and updated LED lights that include high-mounted LED DRLs. A significant addition to the Traverse lineup is the introduction of the new Z71 trim, tailored for enhanced off-road capabilities. This variant boasts a wider track, an extra inch of ground clearance, a new twin-clutch all-wheel drive system, and off-road specific electronics. Its distinctive appearance is marked by a rugged front profile featuring red tow hooks, an aluminum skid plate, and 18-inch wheels adorned with Goodyear Wrangler all-terrain tires. Under the hood, the 2024 model exclusively offers a new 2.5-liter turbocharged four-cylinder engine generating 315 horsepower. Inside, the novelties include a prominent 17.7-inch infotainment display and an 11-inch instrument cluster display standard across all trims. Lastly, every Traverse except for the base LS trim adopt a 7-seat configuration featuring second-row captain's chairs. Chevrolet or Ford? Smash the like button if you want Chevy to win, and we keep rolling. Chevrolet Suburban. In 2025, GM celebrates the 90th anniversary of its largest SUV model. Chevy pays tribute to this milestone by subtly refreshing the 12th generation of the full-size and giving it extra power and heightened comfort. Notable changes include repositioned headlights, with primary units now nested lower in the bumper, accompanied by distinct two-element LED daytime running lights in the upper section. Additionally, newly designed wheels can now measure up to 24 inches. Under the hood, the gasoline engines remain unchanged. The base 5.3-liter V8 maintains its 355 horsepower output, while an optional upgrade to the 6.2-liter engine elevates power to 420. Meanwhile, the 3-liter inline-six diesel takes the lead with 305 horsepower and a robust 495 pound-feet of torque, making it the most torque-heavy engine in the lineup. The latest Suburban comes equipped with a 10-speed automatic transmission, offering a choice between rear or all-wheel drive. Moreover, it offers optional features such as adaptive dampers and an adjustable air suspension for added versatility. As the flagship SUV in Chevrolet's lineup, the new Suburban boasts a standard 17.7-inch infotainment system and an updated 11-inch digital gauge display. Furthermore, it introduces wider availability of GM's Super Cruise hands-free driving system. Chevrolet Blazer EV. The evolution of the once-beloved Blazer moniker continues, and now it will be used to label an all-electric unibody crossover. Utilizing the innovative Ultium platform, the newcomer accommodates front-wheel drive, rear-wheel drive, and all-wheel drive drivetrain configurations with 3 trim options. Deviating from the RS Rally Sport moniker for the top-performing Chevrolet SUVs, the Blazer goes in the direction of Camaros and calls its flagship the SS, aka Super Sport. This model boasts a performance all-wheel drive system with unique wide-open watts mode, elevating the total motor output to 557 horsepower and enabling the vehicle to accelerate to 16 mph in just 4 seconds. GM estimates that the Blazer will have a range of 294 miles on a single charge, and it will recharge at 190 kilowatts, recovering 78 miles in just 10 minutes. A properly equipped Blazer EV gets a 17.7-inch infotainment display and an 11-inch digital gauge for the driver. There are 22-inch wheels with Brembo brakes, an optional Super Cruise driver assist package, performance seating, and a flat-bottom steering wheel. Chevrolet Equinox EV. After Chevy Bolt's discontinuation and inevitable resurrection as an Ultium-based EV, the all-new Equinox EV will carry the title of General Motors' cheapest electric car. This is a mid-size SUV with sporty futuristic styling. There are LED light strips across the entire width of the car, it gets stylish aero wheels, and a two-tone paintwork. Here, the 800-volt architecture will be slightly down-tuned. Nevertheless, the all-wheel drive models are expected to offer 288 horsepower, fast charging at 150 kilowatts, around 300 miles of range, and 1,500 pounds of towing capacity. All in all, there will be 5 trims. The most affordable Equinox One LT is aiming for $30,000 price range, but this would mean a specs drop to a front-wheel drive single motor with 210 horses and up to 250 miles of range. This grade gets standard 19-inch wheels, an 11.5 kilowatt onboard charger, and Chevy safety assists. Inside the cabin, buyers can expect an 11-inch digital instrument cluster and a 17.7-inch infotainment display, heated and steering wheel, plus a dual-zone climate control. Chevrolet Trax. The cheapest Chevy crossover in the US enters its second generation this year. The new model grows bigger, becomes more attractive inside and out, has better equipment, and somehow carries a lesser price tag than its predecessor. Inspired by the Trailblazer styling, the new Trax offers similar slim headlights with LED DRLs, sharp lines, and an overall aggressive look. Each of the 5 available trims get a specific grille, additional accents, and unique wheels, starting from 17-inch steel or aluminum on the entry-level LS and LT models. The most expensive 2RS and Active trims share the same price. The former offers a sportier appearance with large 19-inch alloys, while the latter gets exclusive Foskett blades and chrome accents. A 1.2-liter turbocharged inline-3 engine with 137 horsepower is standard across the lineup. Inside the cabin, the base Trax LS features an 8-inch infotainment, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto support, and standard active noise cancellation. Overall, the Trax is thoroughly enhanced with active safety assists, comfortable seating for 5 and up to 54.1 cubic feet of maximum cargo. Chevrolet Silverado HD. The mightier members of the Silverado family boast a comprehensive facelift for 2024. All of the trims arrive with fresh front fascia designs, different grilles, and C-shaped LED lights. The trim selection grows once again and includes 3 new models. The off-road capable CR2 with a 1.5-inch lift, Multimatic TSSV dampers, and 35-inch Goodyear Wrangler Territory mud terrain tires. There is a new AEV tweaked version named the Bison, and the High Country Midnight Edition with blacked-out exterior accents. The truck's standard 6.6-liter V8 gasoline still makes 401 horsepower and 464 pound-feet, but instead of a 6-speed automatic, it comes paired with a superior Allison 10-speed. As for the diesel, the changes come for the engine itself. The 6.6-liter Duramax V8 provides 25% more low-end torque and increases its output to 470 HP and 975 pound-feet of twist. The final note of this facelift is hidden inside the HD's cabin. It gets a new Google-powered 13.4-inch infotainment, configurable 12.3-inch instrument gauge, and a 15-inch head-up display. Some trims also gain a wireless charging pad for your phone. Do you believe in the return of America's manufacturing might? Will Chevy play a crucial role in this movement, or are they doomed for continuous bailouts? Let's talk about these tough questions in the comments below. Subscribe to Automotive Territory, smash the like button, and watch other lineup reviews of 2024 through the links on the screen. May the torque be with you!